Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the rules of differentiation. So kindly refers to this page and we have several types of differentiation. So the first one is fx equals to k, where the k is a constant. If we differentiate the f, we will have f prime x is equals to 0, because every time when we differentiate constant, we will have 0. Or you can write it as dy dx equals to 0. Or you can write it as y prime equals to 0. Second, we are going to focus fx is equals to k, where k is a constant, multiply with x to the power of n, where n is also a constant. So for this situation, f prime x will be equals to, kindly focus on the x. So we will have n multiply with x n minus 1 bracket. So finally, the f prime x will be equals to kn multiply with x to the power of n minus 1. The third one would be fx is equals to 1 over square root of x. So before we start differentiate the situation, kindly modify the situation and we will have x to the power of negative 1 over 2. If we differentiate, we will have f prime x equals to negative 1 over 2 x to the power of negative 1 over 2 minus 1. F prime x will be equals to negative 1 over 2 x to the power of negative 3 over 2. Rewrite the situation and we will have negative 1 over 2 square root of x to the power of 3. Situation number 4, we have a product rule. The formula for the product rule will be dy dx, where we will have v multiply with du dx plus u dv dx. In other types of situation, we will have dy dx is equals to v multiply with u prime plus u multiply with v prime. Number 5, we have quotient rule. So quotient rule, we will have dy dx equals to v u prime minus u v prime over v squared. Next, we will have number 6, which is a chain rule. dy dx is equals to dy du multiply with du dx. Number 7, we have differentiate exponent to x respect to x. So the step would be copy the situation, kindly focus on the power and differentiate it, and we will have 2. So rewrite the situation, differentiate e to the power of 2x respect to x, and we will have 2e to x. Next, number 8, we are going to differentiate ln x. If we differentiate ln x, we will have 1 over x. Then focus on the internal function and differentiate the x, and we will have 1. Rewrite the situation, d dx ln x, we will have 1 over x. In number 9, we are going to differentiate trigo. So we are going to further the discussion in the next session. So here we are, and thanks for watching.